Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to disable home feed recommendations on Reddit. Maybe you want to have a more streamlined browsing experience without the distraction of suggested content in your home feed. So today I'm going to show you how to disable home feed recommendations on Reddit. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Reddit application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the right side, and here, tap on Settings. In this page, tap on Account Settings. Here, scroll up, and under Personalized Recommendations section, you can now see this Enable Home Feed Recommendations option. Since you wanted to disable this option, simply toggle off the switch next to it. After that, you now have successfully disabled home feed recommendations on Reddit. Your home feed will now display only the posts from the communities you are subscribed to, providing you a more personalized experience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to disable home feed recommendations on Reddit, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to disable home feed recommendations on Reddit, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.